Good morning, students. Today also we are going to discuss about some models in areas. So first here, today let us know question number 1. Dear students, first you can understand the question in the right way. The area enclosed by the curves x equal to a sin cube t and y equal to a cos cube t is equal to. Okay students, here given that x equal to a sin cube t and another one is given that this is the x by a equal to sin cube t. Okay students, the cube is sending to the other side, then we taking directly x by a whole power 2 by 3, 3 cancel, then it will come sin square t. Okay students, now the another one is the y equals to a cos cube t. Dear students, the y by a equal to cos cube t. Now again we are taking the y by a whole power 2 by 3 equal to cos square t. Dear students, first we can observe the x and y are in terms of t. That means the given curve in the parametric form. Therefore now we can write in the remove the t, sin t and cos t. How we can remove it? We know that the sin square theta, sin square t, okay students, plus cos square t equals to 1. Dear students, we have to know that the sin square t plus cos square t equal to 1. Then it will be the x by a whole power 2 by 3. Okay students, y by a whole power 2 by 3 equal to 1. Dear students, we are taking the LCM is a power 2 by 3. Then we got here x power 2 by 3, y power 2 by 3 equals to a power 2 by 3. Okay students, this is the x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3. When we got the curve, now we can write the diagram. Dear students, when we can take x y equal to 0, dear students, when we take y equal to 0, therefore these are the x and y axis. When we take y equal to 0, then it is 0, x power 2 by 3, first 3 cancel, we got x square equal to a square. When we got x square equal to a square, x equal to plus or minus a. This is the a, this is the minus a. Similarly also, this is the a, this is the minus a. But this is not a circle students. We have to know that the second degree equation x square plus y square equal to some r square, then it will be the circle. Now we can draw the diagram here. It's like this students, this is the curve. So just you can join them. This is the curve. Okay students, now we have to find this region area, this one. We have to find this area of this region. Okay students, now we have to find the area of this region. So dear students, we can observe the area. Suppose first we can find the above x-axis, that is minus a to a. The integral, the required area we can write twice into minus a to a y dx. Okay students, y dx. How to got the y here students? Okay, how to got here? The y power 2 by 3 equals to a power 2 by 3 minus x power 2 by 3. Dear students, this is y power 2 by 3 equal to a power 2 by 3 minus x power 2 by 3. What we got y here? Y we directly you can write a power 2 by 3 minus x power 2 by 3 whole power 3 by 2. Dear students, 2 by 3 sending other side, 3 by 2. Now we can write the required area twice into integral minus a to a. This is a power 2 by 3 minus x power 2 by 3 whole power 3 by 2 dx. Okay students, here the f of x, when we are taking the f of x this one, when we are taking the f of x this one, this is a even function because whole square is there. Okay students, now we can write directly when it is a even for 0 to a power 2 by 3 minus of x power 2 by 3 whole power 3 by 2 into dx. Okay students, how to find this area? Dear students, now we can take, let x equal to, dear students, let x will be we taken, what we taken students here, let x equal to a power 2 by 3. Generally we taking the x equal to, we can write a sine square theta. How to write this one students? When we are taking here, this is the 2 by 3 is there. Okay students, x we are taking students sine cube theta, a sine cube theta. Dear students, when we are taking the x equal to a sine cube theta, these two are cancelled. Okay students, now the dx, we can write the dx 3a sine square theta, derivative of sine theta cos theta into d theta. Dear students, we can apply the lower limit. What is the lower limit students? When we are taking the x is 0, theta is also 0. When you take x 0, 0 by a 0, sin theta also 0. Dear students, upper limit, when we are taking x equal to a by a is the 1. A by a is the 1. 1 can be written as 1 cube. 1 cube is the value of sin 90 whole cube. Dear students, we got theta equal to pi by 2. How to write students? 1. When we are taking x is a equal to a sin cube theta. Sin cube theta equal to 1. Sin theta equal to cube root of 1, 1. 1 is the value of sin 90. Therefore, theta equals to 90 degrees. These are the upper and lower limits. Dear students, now we can write, how to write the students here. Just write students, few minutes. Now this is how to write the students here. This can be written as 4 into integral, when we are taking x0 theta 0, x equal to a, this is 90. Now this is a power 2 by 3. When we are taking x is x power 2 by 3, that means a power 2 by 3. Then x sine cube power 2 by 3, cube and this cancel. We got only sine square theta. Okay students, is there whole power 3 by 2, and dx is we got 3a sine square theta cos theta d theta. Dear students, when we are taking here 4 into 3, 12a. Okay students, now we can write 0 to pi by 2. When we are taking the students a power 2 by 3, when we are taking the common a power 2 by 3, is there whole power 3 by 2. 2 by 3, 3 by 2 cancel. We got a into a square. Now this is students 1 minus sine square theta. Dear students, 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta whole power 3 by 2. Okay students, sin square theta cos theta d theta. Dear students, this is the 12a square. This is the 12a square. Okay students, 12a square. The 12a square integral 0 to pi by 2. 12a square 0 to pi by 2. 2 to cancel. This is cos power 4 theta sin square theta d theta. We have to know that this is the option is given that. But dear students, we can also by applying the Wallis formula. How to write students? First you can write 4 minus 1 3, 3 minus 2 1. Okay students, first we can write 4 minus 1 3, 3 minus 2 1. Here the 2 minus 1 1. Okay students, 4 plus 2 6, 6 minus 2 4. This is 2. We can write pi by 2. This is, we know that in the definite integrals. How to write the students? Here we can write 6 2 are 12, 12 12 cancel. 3 into a square 3a square pi, 3a square pi, 4 2s are 8 square units. This is the required answer. Okay students, 3a square pi by 8. Okay. Dear students, the area of the region y equal to x square and y equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. So first year students, first you can observe how to draw the graph first. So that is in the first thing. So first we are all thinking about the how to draw the graphs. Undoubtedly this is, everybody know that this is the upward parabola. Okay students. After then, how can you write this one? So first you think, what is the possibility of the given curves? Both are given that y. First we have to find the intersection. That means we are taking first x square equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. Dear students, we got x power 4 plus x square minus 2. Dear students, the x power 4 2 1 are 2. 2x square minus x square minus 2 equal to 0. X square is the common, x square plus 2 minus 1 is the common, x square plus 2. Now this is student x square minus 1 into x square plus 2 equal to 0. Dear students, we got x square equal to 1, x equal to plus or minus 1. This is not defined. X square is not a minus 2. Okay student, in this case does not exist. So we can draw the graph. Here must be, we can mention the graph, the point of intersection. Suppose if you are taking the 1, this is minus 1. Everybody know that. Then you can directly write here, when we are taking x equal to 1, x equal to 1, y is also 1. Dear students, this graph is passing through the origin and 1 1, and also when we are taking x is minus 1, like this. So dear students, this graph is like this. This is the graph. Okay students. Dear students, when this is the graph, everybody know that this is the upward parabola. Okay students. Now dear students, now we can draw the another graph. So the another graph will be, undoubtedly these are intersect. Okay. So dear students, when we are taking x equal to 0, this is y value 2. So these are intersecting. We have to know that this is the graph students. We can complete enough. We can suppose if you don't know graph, you can finish it. That is enough. This is our required area. So if you can draw the graph completely, suppose if you are taking some minus 2, what is the students? Minus 2 whole square. Suppose if you are taking the minus 2, that is a 4, 2 by 5. 2 by 5 approximately 0.4. 0.4 means like this. This graph will be like this. Dear students, the required area, this one. This is the required area, students. This is our required area. How to write this one? So, these are above x-axis. The required area, dear students, we can write directly the minus 1 to 1. Okay, students, minus 1 to 1. Or you can write it twice into as you wish. Minus 1 to 1 or 0 to 1 as you wish. You can write first the integral minus 1 to 1. Upper curve is this one, that is 2 by 1 plus x square minus x square dx. Okay, dear. Okay, students, this is the graph. Okay, now we can write, students, undoubtedly these two are even functions. You can, already I explained, we can take twice into 0 to 1. Therefore 0 to 1, 2 by 1 plus x square minus x square dx. How to write this one? y1 minus y2, upper minus lower. Therefore this is, students, we can write 2 into 2, 4. Integral 0 to 1, 1 upon 1 plus x square dx minus 2 into x square dx. Dear students, this is, we know that this is the formula of tan inverse of x. What, students? This is tan inverse of x. This can be written as, we can written as tan inverse of x. Dear students, 4 into, this is the formula of tan inverse of x. The limits are 0 to 1. Okay, students, now this is minus 2 into x cube by 3. Limits are 0 to 1. Okay, students, that implies when we are taking x equal to 1, 1 is the value of tan 45. Therefore, that is pi. 4 cancel. 0, tan 0, 0. Now this is also minus of 2 by 3. Okay, students, 0 by 3, 0. This is square units. Pi minus 2 by 3. Okay, students, pi minus of 2 by 3. Dear students, if x equal to a divides the area bounded by the x-axis and the curve y equal to 1 plus 8 by x square and the ordinates x equal to 2 and x equal to 4 into equal parts. Okay, students, so here, dear students, we can observe here. So y equal to 1 plus 8 by x square is the graph. Is given that two lines, x equal to 2 and x equal to 4 into two equal parts. Dear students, we can write first graph in between 2 to 4. The x equal to a divides the area bounded by the x-axis and the curve and the ordinates. So that is divided into two equal parts, students. Divided into two equal parts. So, dear students, first you can write x equal to 2. This is x equal to 4. So, now we can find the area. So, how to write? Suppose, students, when we are taking x equal to 2, then it is what we value of y? 1 plus 8 by 4. This is 3. When we are taking x equal to 4, dear students, what is that one? 1 plus 8 by 4 square is the 16. 1 plus 1 by 2. This is the 3 by 2. Okay, students, this is approximately 1.5. Therefore, when we are taking, this is the 3. Dear students, 2 comma 3 is like this. This is 1. Okay, 1.5. When we are taking the 1, students, this is approximately the 1, 2, 3, 1.5 is like this, students. This is the graph. This is the graph of y equal to 1 plus 8 by x square. Now we can draw this one. This is x equal to 2. This is x equal to 4. Dear students, we can find this area. This is x equal to 2 students. This is x equal to 4. We have to know that this graph is like this. But we have to think this part only. Otherwise, you can neglect this one. Like this. So, okay students, now the another line is there, x equal to a. This is x equal to a. Divides into two equal parts. Divide into two equal parts. What is the value of a? Dear students, this is the x-axis. This is the line x equal to 2. This is the line x equal to a. This is the x equal to 4. Therefore, areas are given that students, when you can take limit integral 2 to a, the upper curve is here. Dear students, 1 plus 8 by x square into dx. Dear student, this is a to 4. A to 4, this one minus this one, this is the y equal to 0. Again you can write 1 plus 8 by x square dx. Those parts are equal. Now we have to find the a. Dear students, this is integral of 1 is the x. The integral 8 by x square, this is the x power minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1. The integral of 1 by x square is the minus 1 by x. Okay students, this is minus 8 by x. The limits will be 2 to a. Similarly students, x minus 8 by x. The limits will a to 4. Dear students, now we can write here, this is upper limit. We can substitute upper limit a minus 8 by a minus 2 students. This is the 4. Dear students, we substitute 4 by 8 by 4 is the 2. Minus of a minus 8 by a. Dear students, we can write this is a minus 8 by a minus of minus plus 2. 2 minus a plus 8 by a. Students, 2 cancel. This is sending to the other side. Minus a plus a. Students, that is 2a. This is minus of 16 by a. Dear students, we are taking minus 8 minus 16. Students, we take the common 2 by a. This is a square minus 8 equal to 0. Dear students, a square equal to 8. A is the positive. Therefore, a equal to root of 8. Dear students, that is 2 root 2. What is the value of a? Students, 2 root 2. Right. Okay. Now y equal to e power x and y equal to e power minus x. Dear students, first we take y equal to e power x. When we are taking e power x equal to e power minus x, undoubtedly x equal to 0. E power 0 1, e power 0, e power minus 0 also 1. Okay students, when we are taking x equal to 0, undoubtedly those are equal. Dear students, please listen. So we have to find the area y equal to e power x. Okay students, this is x-axis, y-axis. Now students, this is y-axis. So when first you can draw the graph of y equal to e power x. Dear student, first we take x equal to 0, y value is the 1. Okay. Dear students, when we are taking the 1, undoubtedly this is the e 2.1 something. E square like this. Now a negative value, then it will becomes. This is the graph of y equals to e power x. Okay students, this is the graph of y equal to e power x. Dear students, when we are taking the y equal to e power minus x, suppose we are taking the minus 1, this is e like this. Okay students, now we can like this. So this is the graph. Those are intersected here at x equal to 0, here y equal to 1. Dear students, one more thing is given that the ordinate is x equal to 1 student. Students, this is the vertical line. X equal to 1, this line. This line x equal to 1. This is, we know that x equal to 0. The y-axis means x equal to 0. Now these two curves are bounded by x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. This is the required area. This is the y equal to e power x. This is the graph y equal to e power minus x. Dear students, we can write the required area. We have to take the limits 0 to 1. The upper curve is e power x, lower curve is the minus e power x into dx. That is the answer. Okay students, upper curve is the e power x and lower curve is the minus of e power x. Dear students, we have to know that the e power x is integral of e power x, e power x. Dear students, integral of e power minus x by minus 1, minus of minus plus 1. We are taking the 0 to 1. When we are taking the 1, this is e power minus 1. Therefore students, when we are taking the 0, e power 0 is a 1, this is 1. We can write simply this is e plus 1 by e minus 2. This is students e plus 1 by e minus 2. This is the required area. This is the required area. Okay students, e plus 1 by e minus 2. Okay students. Dear students, A1 be the area of the parabola lying between the vertex and the latus rectum. So I think we know that about parabola. So y square equal to 4ax is symmetric about the x-axis. Dear students, this is the diagram of the y square equal to 4ax. Latus rectum is a focal chord is perpendicular to the axis. This is the latus rectum students. We have to know that focus is the a comma 0. This is the line x equal to a. Y-axis is x equal to 0. This is the y-axis. First, dear students, we can observe here the A1 be the area of the parabola y square equal to 4ax lying between the vertex and the line and the latus rectum. This is, dear students, we have to find this area. That is nothing but A1. This is A1. Dear students, we can write A1. The boundaries are 0 to A. So first you can write twice into. First we have to find the above x-axis, next below axis. Therefore that is twice into y dx. Y dx means y is standing to other side, 2 root a root x dx. Dear students, this is 2 into 2 is the 4. 2 into 2 is the 4. That is the root a. The integral of root x is x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. That is 2 by 3. The limits are the 0 to a. Dear students, this is 8 by 3 root a. First you can substituting the upper limit. This will be the a root a minus 0. Dear students, we can write this is 8 by 3 a square. 8 by 3 a square. This is the area of A1. What is the A2? A2 be the area between the lattice rectum and the line x equal to 2a. Dear students, this is x equal to 2a. Now we have to find this region area. How to write the students? The A2 can be written as, again you can write it twice, A2 2a. So what is the graph, students? The graph is, again you can write 2 into root a into root x dx. Okay students, now this is 2 into 2 is the 4 root a. Okay students, what is the integral of root x is x power 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 upon, so x power 2 by 3 upon 3 by 2, that is the 2 by 3. We can write 8 by 3 root a, dear students. Now when you can substituting the upper limit, that is 2a into root of 2a minus of a root a. Dear students, what we are thinking here, therefore a root a is the common, students, that is 8 by 3 root a into a root a is the common. What is the remaining here? 2 root 2 minus 1. Dear students, now this is, we can write 8 by 3 a square 2 root 2 minus 1. 2 root 2 minus 1. In the question, we have to find the area, we have to find the value of a1 upon a2. That equals to, the value of a1 is this one, 8 by 3. 8 by 3 a square upon 8 by 3 a square is there 2 root 2 minus 1. Student, 8 by 3 a square cancel. Now the rationalizing factor of this one, we can write the 2 root 2 plus 1. This is, students, a square minus b square. The a square minus b square is the 4 into 2 is the 8 minus 1. This is, students, 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 7. This is the value of a1 by a2 is the 2 root 2 plus 1 by 7. Okay students? Dear students, here y is the function, mod function. The area bounded by y equals to mod of 4 minus x square and x axis. Okay students? Here the mod function is there. Now we can write this is, students, y equals to, we are taking the minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. Dear students, we are taking any value that is the positive. Directly you can write 4 minus x square. Either x less than 2 or x greater than 2, greater than or equal to 2. Dear students, about 2, undoubtedly we take negative. Suppose 3, 4 minus 9 is the negative, then you can write, students, the x square minus 4. Okay students, now we can start graph. Let us now graph of this one. Dear students, so right now we can observe the graph of the function is here. How to write the, students? First we take the minus 2 and plus 2. Undoubtedly first we are taking, this is the x-axis, y-axis, x dash, y dash. Point of intersection is the origin. First we take, students, 2. After we take minus 2. Dear students, when we take the 0, what is the, students? We take 0, suppose that is 4. This is the 4, students. Now students, in between value we got this one. Suppose we are taking the 2, undoubtedly that is 0. Okay students. When we are taking the minus 2 also 0. Dear students, we can about the more than 2. Above the 2, that means 3. That is a positive. We can take the 3, 4, 5. 9 minus 4, that is positive. After that 4, 16 minus 4 positive. the graph will be completely like this. Okay students, this is also like this. Okay students, but here, dear students, what you can observe, we have to find the area. X-axis this one. Therefore, this is our required area. Okay, students. So, but here the limit, this is infinity. This is also up to infinity. But this region this is our required area. Okay, students. So, now we find the area, the required area. How to find the students? This is minus 2 to 2 or minus 2 to 2, or we are taking twice into, dear students, 0 to 2, 0 to 2, in between 0 to 2. What is the students? 0 to 2, undoubtedly the graph will come 4 minus x square. The 4 minus x square dx. Okay students, 4 minus x square dx. Right students, then it will, you can write 2 into, this is, we can write 4x. This is the 4x. Here student, the x square is x cube by 3. The limits are 0 to 2. Now substitute the upper limit. What is the students? 4 2 ja 8. Okay. Now this is 2 cube is the 8. 8 by 3. When you can take 0, 0, 0. Now this is students. Now we can take the common. 8 2 jar is the 16. 16. 1 minus 1 by 3. That is the 2 by 3 students. 1 minus 1 by 3 is the 2 by 3. Now the required area 32 by 3 square units. Okay students. This is the graph of the curve. Dear students, the area of the region bounded by 1 minus y square equal to mod x. Dear students, we know that the plus or minus x, mod means when x less than 0. Dear students, we can write first, all of you, the 1 minus y square is the plus or minus x. This is 1 minus y square. First we are taking minus x if x less than 0. Dear students, this is y square equal to 1 plus x. Y square equal to 1 plus x. Okay students. Therefore, this is the, we know that, parabola. This is the parabola. This is the right hand side parabola. This can be written as, how can we write this is x plus 1. Y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. How to write students? This is y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. Therefore, here we can write, when we are taking, dear students, when we are taking y is 0, x is the minus 1. Dear students, when we are taking the x equal to 0, y will be the plus or minus 1. Undoubtedly, the graph of this parabola like this. Okay students. After, when we are taking the graph 1 minus y square equal to plus x, if x is greater than 0. Okay students, if x is greater than 0, then graph will be y square minus x plus 1. This is the y square minus of x minus 1. Dear students, this is y minus k whole square equal to minus 4a into x minus h. When we take y 0, x will be the 1. Dear students, this is the 1. When we are taking the x 0, y equal to again plus or minus 1. The graph of the like this, students. Okay students. Now the another curve is there, students. The mod x plus mod y equal to 1. This is plus or minus x plus or minus y equal to 1. These are the four lines. If the first line is x plus y equal to 1, this is the straight line. Dear students, this is the x plus y equal to 1. This is minus x plus y equal to 1. Dear students, this is minus x minus y equal to 1. This is plus x minus y equal to 1. These are the four lines. We have to find this region. We have to find. Okay, students, we have to find this region area. How to find, students? This is, we know that 1 comma 0. This curve here bounded by, dear student, this is the y-axis, bounded by x equal to 0 and the line x equal to 1. How many times, students? First, second, third, four quadrants. The required area, dear students, the required area we can write 4 times of the integral. Dear students, the required area is 4 times of. First you can find in the first quadrant. Only first quadrant. That is, in the first quadrant, we have to take, dear students, when x is greater than 0. If x is greater than 0, we have to got this one. So the curve is, dear students, 1 minus y square equal to x. Y square, this is 1 minus x. If x is greater than 0, we have to find the only the area in the first quadrant. Then we can take 4 times, that is required area. We have to take the limits also 0 to 1. Therefore, in the first quadrant, x is greater than 0. Here, dear students, this is the upper curve. This is the upper curve. Okay, students, when you can find the upper curve, then also find the area of the triangle. That minus, you can write in 2 ways, students. How to 2 ways? The first way is, we can write this is sending to the other side. Y equal to root of 1 minus x. We have to find this area only, and you can subtract the area of the triangle. That is the one method. And another method is, we have to take the line, that is y equal to 1 minus x. Dear students, we can write here, we have to find the root of 1 minus x minus of 1 minus of x dx. This is the one method. This is the one method. And the another method is, what is the another method is, we have to take the total first quadrant area of the parabola. That is 4 times of 0 to 1 root of 1 minus x minus of the minus of, we have to know that the area of the triangle, this base is 1, height is 1, of base into height. Okay, students, of base into height. Base is the 1, height is the 1. Dear students, we can write this is 4 into, this is 1 minus x whole power 3 by 2 upon 2 by 3 whole of minus 1. Okay, the limits we take 0. The limits we are taking, the students, 0 to 1. Okay, students, minus 1 by 2. So, dear students, when we are taking the 1, undoubtedly that is 0. Minus of minus plus, when we are taking the 0, 1 power anything 1, that is, we can write simply, students, 8 by 3. This is 8 by 3 minus 2. Okay, students, when you can multiple with this one, minus 2. Therefore, students, we got this is 3 2 is 6. 8 minus 6, that is 8 minus 6 is the 2. 2 by 3 square units. Okay, students, 2 by 3 square units. This is the required answer. 2 by 3 square units. Okay, students. My dear students, this is today. Please practice graphs. Okay. Each and every graph you will practice the 2 or more times. First you can draw the graph and identify the point of intersection of the curve and the line. Okay students, then you can observe how to find the areas. Okay students, please prepare. Okay, thank you all.